Hello, this is Dan Fashionbauer from Video Pizzazz. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to purchase a domain through NameCheap and then link that domain up with Convertri so that you can start using it with your custom funnels. All right, let's get started. All right, so go over to NameCheap, namecheap.com. Right here, search a domain, put in a domain that you want to purchase and see if it's available. So I'm going to paste in videoadscracked.com, click on search, and it says that is taken. I'm going to try YouTube Ads Cracked, click on search, and it comes right here, YouTubeAdsCracked.com. And that is available for $8.88 a year. Alright, so then I'm going to sign into my account, then click on domains, domain name search, and since I know that that domain is available now, I can just paste that in there, YouTube Ads Cracked, click on search, I can click on add to cart. ICANN fee of 18 cents, so it brings it up to $9.06. Click on View Cart. I plan on using this domain for a while, more than a year, so I want to make sure that I don't lose it. So I'm going to turn the auto renew on. And you get WhoisGuard 1 year. It says free forever. Okay, not going to worry about any of these other things here right now. And I'll click on Confirm Order. And just make sure that your domain is spelt the way you want it to look. Make sure it's the right one. So in my case, it's YouTubeAdsCracked.com. And then scroll down and fill out your payment information and your contact information. And you can either click Pay Now here or Pay Now up here. So click on Pay Now. Okay, and it says that your purchase is complete. It gives you your order number. So right down here under domain registration, you'll see your new URL you just purchased. Come over and click on Manage next to that. And then scroll down until you find the URL that you just purchased. So it's YouTubeAdsCracked.com. It says it's active. So slide all the way over to the right and click on Manage again. Okay, so once you're logged into your Convertri back office, click on Account. And at this point here, you'll see Custom Domains 0. So I currently don't have any custom domains, but I'm going to add one in right now. So I'll click on Domains. So you're given 3 different options here. The one I want for a new custom domain is this one on the right hand side here. It says use Convertri with a new domain. Use Convertri to set up and manage your whole site at, and then it gives you an example of a domain name. Alright, so click on Add. Now this is very important here when you're entering in your domain name. Do not put HTTP or HTTPS or www. Don't put anything in front of your site. It's just your site name.com. So I'm going to put in YouTubeAdsCracked.com. Oh, and as you can see here, it says you can only use lowercase, so it doesn't like this. So we'll highlight this and we'll paste in all lowercase, YouTubeAdsCracked.com. So like that, and click on Add. So then Convertri provides us with 4 of their own name servers that we need to enter into our NameCheap account. So once we know what our 4 name servers are in Convertri, these guys here, then we can come back over to NameCheap. Just click on Domains tab scroll down here to where it says Name Servers. Use the pull down here and click on Custom DNS. And then you'll see here Name Server 1 and Name Server 2. By default, they only give you 2, but we need 4, so we're going to have to add Name Server 3 and add Name Server 4. Alright, so let's come back over to Convertri. Click inside Name Server 1, and it'll copy that. Come back over to NameCheap. Click here, Control V, and paste that in there. Come back over to Convertri, go to the second name server, click on that, it copies it. Come back over to NameCheap, click on the second server here and Control V. Go back over to Convertri, click on the third name server, it copies it. Come back over to NameCheap, Control V. Come back over to Convertri, click on the fourth name server, it copied it, come back over to NameCheap and click on Control V. Alright, so now we have our 4 custom name servers implemented in our NameCheap account. So that's it. Basically, you're done. So your name servers are now fully set up. However, it's going to take a little while for your Convertri to register the DNS change. This means that when you go back to Convertri, you'll probably see a warning symbol next to the records heading in the domain details. Alright, so if we go back to Convertri, you'll see right here it says YouTubeAdsCrack.com and it says records. So you'll see here this little warning indicator next to records. Don't panic, this is normal. DNS is a huge internet-wide system and it can take some time for the records to get updated. Needing to wait a couple hours is fairly common, so give it some time and come back later. When the DNS has updated, you're ready to proceed. You'll see the warning indicator has changed to a green tick mark. So instead of this indicator here, we need to have a green check mark before everything is working okay. Another thing you'll notice here is that Convertri automatically sets up a www redirect for your URL. So if you come down here and you'll look, you'll have a name called www, type is Convertri, and what that does is it actually does a redirect so that if somebody just happens to type in www.youtubeadscrack.com, it'll redirect them to the https://youtubeadscrack.com. So no matter if people type in http or https or www, they will all go to youtubeadscrack.com. That's what this line does for you right here. Alright, so I just refreshed this page here by clicking here to reload the page. Now I have the green check mark that says domain is successfully connected to Convertri name servers. Now in my case, this only took like 10 minutes. NameCheap is saying it could take up to 48 hours. It usually never takes that long. If it's taken that long, then something is probably wrong with your setup. So you need to probably recheck your name servers in NameCheap to make sure there was no misspelling. But anyway, we got a green check mark. That's a good sign. So another great feature of Convertri is they give you a free SSL account for your domain. So instead of having HTTP, you'll have an HTTPS for a secure domain name. So in order to set that up, just click on the back arrow here next to records and then come down and find your new URL right here, YouTubeAdsCrack.com, and you'll see that the padlock is unlocked right now because it's not SSL or HTTPS. So all you have to do is click on Enable SSL, and it says, are you sure you want to enable SSL for YouTubeAdsCrack.com? Click on OK. You can see it spinning here, working on it. Alright, so now you have a green padlock that's closed, active, and secure. And then you'll see that the redirect is working also. So if somebody types in www.youtubeadscrack.com, they automatically get redirected to http://YouTubeAdsCrack.com. So at this point, your domain has been set up with NameCheap and connected to Convertri. So now you're able to build funnels under the YouTube AdCracks account. So if you just click on YouTubeAdsCrack.com, and that is selected right here, now you could import a funnel, create a new funnel, or whatever you want to do now, and that will show up under YouTubeAdsCrack.com. So if we open up a new tab and we just go to YouTubeAdsCrack.com and click Turn, we'll get a Convertri 404 error. And the reason we know it's Convertri is because it has a little rabbit here. And this tells us two things. This 404 error tells us that our URL is connected to Convertri and working because we got this Convertri 404 error. So that's what we would expect to see. But the reason we're getting the 404 error is because currently we don't have any data for this URL. We haven't created any funnels or pages in Convertri and published them yet. Once you create a page or a funnel in Convertri and publish it, then this 404 error will go away and you'll see the page that you published. Alright, so that's how you would purchase a custom domain from NameCheap and connect it to Convertri. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Convertri funnel to a custom domain name. So I'm going to be importing one of my existing funnels into a new domain name. So I'm going to click on Account, come over to Domains, and I'm going to come down. I'm going to find my existing Convertri funnel. So I'll click on this guy here, and this is my existing funnel called Video Ads Cracked. And I'll come over here and I'll click More. And then you can either share this funnel with another user of Convertri, or you can move it to a domain. And moving to the domain would work fine too, except that if something went wrong, I may not have my original funnel. And so I don't want to chance that, but it should work. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on Share, and it gives you a share link and a share code. So I'm just going to copy my share funnel code. So I'll just click on this and it copies it to my clipboard. I can click on this X here. So now that I have my existing funnel copied, now I need to import that funnel into my new domain name area. So I'll click on Account, click on Domains, and I'm going to scroll down until I find my new domain name that I just set up and linked with Convertri called YouTubeAdsCracked.com. So I will click on that. And currently there are no funnels in here. So if I was starting from scratch, I could click on Create, and I could use any of these existing funnel templates and start modifying those. Or I could start a funnel from scratch. But in today's demo, I don't want to do either of those. I want to import an existing funnel. So I'm going to click on Close, and right here it says Import Funnel. So I'll click on that, and then it says paste in your funnel share code. So I'll paste in the share code that I just created. Click on Import. So it says we've added this funnel to your funnel templates library. You can choose it anytime you create a new funnel. I'm just going to say create it now, and I'm going to still call the new funnel Video Ads Cracked, and it's going into this domain name. Use the pull down here. I've got all these other Convertri subdomains, but I want to put it in this master domain here, YouTubeAdsCrack.com. Click on Create. Alright, so it imported my funnel, which is, in my case, it's basically just a landing page and the privacy pages. Alright, so now if I go to a new tab and I paste in YouTubeAdsCracked.com, I'm still going to get a 404 error, and this is expected because I have not published these new pages yet, even though they have been imported into this area. First of all, what I need to do is relink all these pages here into my landing page because the URL of these have changed now since I copied them to a different location. So if I edit this page here, you'll notice that it says not published yet. And that's true. None of these pages are published yet. I don't need to make any changes. I just need to publish it. So I'm going to click on Save and Publish. And you'll notice here it's going to be published as https://YouTubeAdsCracked.com. And I'm going to call this privacy-policy. And as I type that path in, it automatically updates down here. So I'm going to copy this URL because I'm going to have to use it later when I update the link on my landing page. So copy this URL here and paste it in a Word doc or some document that you can save, and then click on Publish. It turns green right here saying it's published, and then I can click the View page if I want. So let's close this tab here and let's exit out of this editor. Alright, so that was the privacy. I want to edit this page here. So this is the terms of service. Again, it's not published yet. So I'll click on Save. I really don't have to click Save, but I'm going to anyway. And then click on Publish. And I'm going to call this Terms of Service. So copy this URL here and put that into a document, and then click on Publish. Page is now published. So now I click on the X, and I will edit this page here, which is our Contact Us page. I'll click on Save, click on Publish, and this will be Contact Us. And then copy this URL and put that into a document so you have that for updating the landing page. And then click on Publish. Alright, that's published. Alright. So now we need to edit the master landing page. So we will click on Edit. And then I'll scroll down to this area here where it says Privacy Policy, Contact Us in Terms of Service. These links have to change now to point to my new URL. They're still pointing to my old funnel URLs. I'll highlight Privacy Policy, come up here and click on the hyperlink, and you'll notice here that it's still pointing to the vac.convertri.com. I want to change that, so I'm going to delete that out of there, and I'm going to paste in the new URL for my new privacy policy in this funnel. I'm still going to call it Privacy Policy, and I still want to open it in a new tab. I'll just click on Save. Alright, so now I'm going to highlight Contact Us, click on the hyperlink. Again, this is the old link. I want to click on here, remove hyperlink. And then I'll come in here and click on hyperlink again, paste in the new URL. I'm going to call this Contact Us. I'm going to click on Open in a new tab and click on Save. And then I'll select Terms of Service, click on the hyperlink, click on Remove Hyperlink, and then click on the hyperlink again, paste in the Terms of Service link, title, I'm going to call it Terms of Service. I'm going to click here to open in a new tab and click on Save. Alright, so now that I have those links updated, I can click on Save, click on Publish, and in this case I don't want to put in a path. I want this to be my main home indexed page. So I'll leave it as this, so when somebody comes to YouTubeAdsCrack.com, they will automatically see this page. So I'm just going to click on Publish. So now, since I have the landing page published, my new domain URL should now work. So I'll click on a new tab here, and I'm going to paste in https://YouTubeAdsCracked.com. Click on Return, and it works great. Here's my landing page. Let's see if my links down here worked. Let's click on Privacy Policy. Let's go into YouTubeAdsCrack.com/privacy policy, and I'll put privacy policy up here in the tab. That's good. Let's click on Contact Us. It's YouTubeAdsCrack.com/contact us, and it has a Contact Us in the tab. That's correct. Then let's click on Terms of Service, and it's YouTubeAdsCrack.com/terms of service, and the tab says Terms of Service. Alright, so everything is working fine. So I just showed you how to copy an existing funnel in Convertri and import that funnel into a new domain name. Now, in a previous video, I showed you how to create a domain name using NameCheap and then link that domain name DNS to Convertri. So if you need to learn how to do that, you can watch one of my other videos. Alright, so I hope you found that useful, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.